Good morning, everyone. Today, it's time for calendar time. I hope that you have your calendar time sheet out so that you can work with me in finding out the day of the week, the date, and the weather. So, let's get started. First, let's talk about what day of the week it is. If we look at our calendar, we see that the beginning of the week, the first day of the week on the calendar is Sunday. And today is the first day of the week for remote learning. So, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Those are the 7 days of the week. We have them right here in our list. So if we look at our calendar, we don't have very many days in this month, and we'll get to that part in just a moment. But if we look at where we left off, where the last number is on our calendar, we go to the next day and go up. We see that it says, what? What day is today? That's right. The first day of remote learning week is always Tuesday. So today is Tuesday, which is a green day, Tuesday, which means that yesterday was, do you remember what the sign is? Monday. That's right. It's a pink day. Monday. And if we jump ahead to tomorrow, will be Wednesday. Correct. A yellow day. So yesterday was Monday. Today is Tuesday, and tomorrow will be Wednesday. Now, the month. We have a new month. May. The month is May. Look at that. Each month ends and a new month begins. So we're going to have a different number for the month. And today is what number of day? What number are we on the calendar? Let's begin last Friday. Remember when we were together last Thursday, it was still April the 30th. It was down here. And I told you the next day would be May the 1st. So we start back over at the top. 1, 2, 3, 4. What number comes after 4? You're right. It's 5. And what color is it going to be? If we have turquoise, pink, green, yellow, what comes next? You should see it up here. Turquoise. 5. Today is the 5th day of May. It is Cinco de Mayo. If you watched this morning's high fives from Mrs. Nichols, she was talking about having Taco Tuesday at her house and how excited she was about that. So it is May 5th. If we write that, let me find my write on my chalkboard. It should be around here somewhere. You know, I think I might have used it. helping my daughter with some math. So I'm going to have to go find it, okay? Hold on just a second. Here it is. Okay. So if we write the month, May, it's a short word. M-A-Y. May, M-A-Y. Today's number is 5, 2020. Or if we look at it, when we do the months, let's tally them to see what number we're on. Ready? January, February, March, April, May. A group of tallies together like this is what number? 1, 2, 3, 4 / 5. So 5 / 5 for the date and 20. 5, 5, 20. That's today's date. Today's date is May 5th, 2020, or 5, 5, 20. Okay. So you should have that on your calendar sheet. You should have yesterday was Monday. Today is Tuesday. Tomorrow will be Wednesday. The date is May 5th, 2020. And if you're not caught up with that, just pause the video and rejoin me. And if you're still with me, we should talk about the weather. It's a little different. Man, the weather was so nice this weekend and yesterday. I got a lot done outside and spent a lot of time outside in my yard. But today, it's a little bit different. Have you looked out of your window? Well, I do not see the sun. And I see water on my deck and on my table on my deck. So if we take a look outside, I don't know if you can see with the reflection, there's water, no sun, but it's currently not raining. It was raining when I woke up this morning. And I see the trees moving, so I think it's kind of breezy. So I think we should go with it's cloudy and windy. Billy, shh. Billy's trying to bark at something outside. And the temperature. It says that today it is 46 degrees and it's only going to be 49 for a high. So it's really not going to change temperatures much. And I bet with the breeze, it probably feels a little bit cooler. So it's not cold, but it is cool today. Cloudy, windy, and cool. Now, do you remember the season? The season is the same. It hasn't changed. The season stays the same for several months, for about 3 months. It's not going to change until after we're finished with school, until June. That's right. It is spring. Everything is very, very green outside. All right. Wonderful job, everyone. Now, when you think about your quarantine questions today, what are you thankful for? I am thankful that we've had beautiful weather and that I was able to spend a lot of time outside. What will I create today? Well, I'm working on a project for my husband, so I am going to be creating him a spreadsheet for a collection that he's working on. How can I exercise today? I will probably have to maybe exercise inside today. How will you exercise today? And what can I do outside today? Well, we'll have to see. It'll just depend on the weather. But remember, if it's nice enough, you can at least get outside and breathe some fresh air. So what will you create today? Remember, there is a Flipgrid video about how you're learning at home. If you haven't done that yet, you can let me know. How are you learning at home? In different ways, not just your schoolwork. How else are you learning? Are you playing with Legos? Maybe show me something that you've created with Legos. Or are you just reading a good book? Maybe show me the book you're reading. Doing any puzzles? Playing with Play-Doh or drawing pictures? Maybe you're helping with chores. Show me ways that you are learning at home that are different than just your schoolwork. I would love to find out. So with that, I hope that you have a terrific Tuesday, and I will see you tomorrow.